Okay. Let's light some sage up in this bitch. I know my coworkers think I'm kidding when I'm like, oh, I saged the shit out of everything. They have no fucking idea. Okay, let's get rid of all negative energy. So anything that you're feeling, stress, anxiety, any doubts, just let it all remove from you. Good times, good times, good vibes, good vibes. And then, hold on, I got this thing for a reason. Actually, it works. There you go. Oh yeah. Okay. Hola. Laura Gemini Tarot. Before I start getting into the unboxing of the Silenus, I believe that's what it is. It's the Greek mythological tarot deck. Please let me go ahead and get into, hold on, let me turn that down just slightly. There we go, much better. Okay, so tomorrow I'm taking a day off. I am gonna be kind of relaxing a bit, but I'm gonna also start recording your November monthlies. So I wanna start jumping the ball on that. And then Thursday, I'm going to be coming back here 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing of the Mini Love Tarot. It's also a little anime deck, okay? Friday, 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time on YouTube, I will do the unboxing of Art Oracles. It has 50 cards, and each card has a different artist. Just saw this on Amazon. I thought it was totally badass. So I thought, what the fuck? I like, you know me, I like helping out artists and everything. It truly is a dying art form. And then Sunday, 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, I will be on YouTube and I will be doing the unboxing from Pixel Occult. Please go to their Etsy account, Instagram, all that fun jazz here, so you can actually see. Go to their website. Please go there. I'll be doing the unboxing of the Sinking Wasteland Tarot deck. Here's the back of the deck in the box, so it gives you an idea what the cards are going to look like. This deck and the Neon Moon deck are both bestsellers, and this one is top rated, and this one is sold out currently. Just saying. And I will be doing readings with both decks, and I'll also be coming here sometime on, I'll do Instagram as well, just focusing my time on that too, with Pixel Occult account. Pixel Occult is also, has a Kickstarter account, selling an Oracle deck, and they're like mythological, like they're kind of like cutesy, creepy creatures. Like, that's the best way to describe it. They're like almost like they're super cute, where it's like, they're supposed supposed to be like demons, but they're so adorable. Yeah, so you have the Kickstarter and you can purchase the deck and everything there. Help fucking artists. It'd be super cool. So don't be a dick. Alrighty then. This is what we're here for, is the Greek mythological tarot deck. Let's go ahead and do this bitch. Okay. Okay. We have the Fool card. This is what the back of the deck looks like. You know, it's... Okay. Alrighty then. This deck was made in 2007. Okay. Okay, here's the Magician. High Priestess. The Empress. Hold on one moment. I'm sorry. Okay. Then we have the Emperor. Okay. And the Hierophant. Interesting. The Lovers. So each card represents each Greek, you know, mythological character. The Chariot. Strength. I'm actually liking this deck. You know, you would think that there would be like a lot of Greek mythological like tarot decks, but I haven't really seen any. And I like the artwork. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hangman. Death. Temperance. Ooh, we have the Devil card. Ooh, the Tower. Nice. We have the Star card. The Moon card. We have the Sun. And then we have Judgment. I kind of like the Judgment card. She's like, I run this shit. And then we have the World card. Okay, and then we have, okay, this is the Ace of Cups. And then we have the Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Then this is the Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Huh. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. Oh. And then we have 10 of Cups. Okay. And then we have Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Ooh. Queen of Cups. Yes. And then, interesting, we have King of Cups. Because he's able to talk, like, hang out with the gentle. Like, he's like, the giant's gentle. There's the Cyclops gentle. Okay, we got Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. And then 10 of Wands. Okay. And then we have Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. She's so powerful. She's like, ah. And then the King of Wands. Then we have the Ace of Pentacles. Interesting. And then we have the Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Interesting. Using the statue. Very interesting. Okay. Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Like, I run this shit. And then 10 of Pentacles. And then here we have the Page of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles. Look at you stone people. I'm just gonna throw teeth at you. Okay. Ace of Swords. Baby in the bathwater. Two Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. 5 of Swords, 6 of Swords, 7 of Swords, 8 of Swords, 9 of Swords, 10 of Swords. Oh, Mama is now interfering. Hold on a moment. Mama, 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 mama. No. You can be a good boy. You're doing so well. Yeah, we're almost done with the deck. Okay, Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. My eyes are on you, buddy. Hold on. I know what he's gonna do. Okay. We're gonna do warfare, kitty. Okay, sorry. Queen of Swords. Yes. And finally, King of Swords. He's fed up. He's like, no, I'm doing. Okay. So let me go ahead and mix up the deck. I bought this deck off of eBay. I was able to, hi buddy. I was able to kind of go down on the price a little bit. I forgot how much I paid. I think it was like 25 bucks or 30 bucks, something like that. It's a unique deck. I like it. Has a nice feel to it when shuffling. It's has some weight to it, but it's not mixing it up quite a bit. Okay, and now I'm gonna shuffle the shit out of this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do some general collective readings for anybody that will be watching this on the news feed. Okay. Trying out decks because each deck gives a different energy. Each deck is going to give a completely different type of reading. It's never the same type of reading. You can have the same cards and I will get a different interpretation each time. I hope everybody's having a marvelous Tuesday, or if you're watching this later, Wednesday. Feels good. try to play, change up the music a little bit. I'm trying to play some jazz. I enjoy jazz. You know, it's relaxing and it's soothing and it's just, it's good for the soul. Yeah, the music, you know, it was good, but it's just kind of puts you to sleep. So, but there's nothing wrong with that, but kind of easy to drift off. So, just want to switch some shit up. I hope everybody's having a great fucking time. All right, so this is going to be general collective readings for my Instagram followers. They'll be watching this on my story. Sorry, I'm just getting a little bit of time. Just waking up the cards a bit, you know, because they're a little bit stiff. I don't know. That's something that compels me to keep on doing it. Okay. So, general collective reading for everyone. This is what people can be expecting in the near future. Okay, and one for the road. Hi, Carter. Just in time. I'm doing a general collective reading. It's starting right now. There we go. That was just for you, boo. Okay. Overall feel. Da, 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 da. We have the Emperor, the Daddy card. Yas. Look at you, all high and mighty on your motherfucking throne, Ronin, like ruling shit on your goddamn empire. Look at you. You conquer things. You don't ask for things, you conquer them. They are yours for the taking. Some of you have been manifesting real hard, and you will push people out of the way that do not serve you if they're not on your frequency. You are really powerful. I can feel that shit. Let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper, shall we? Too many cards. Okay, bottom of the deck we have the Knight of Cups followed by the Nine of Cups. Yes! Yeah, with the Wheel of Fortune. Yes! Holy shit. Okay, great fucking reading so far, what I see in this bitch. Okay, so we've got the Wheel of Fortune. So you have passed some sort of karmic lesson and the universe is granting you wishes because it's like, hey, we set a little karmic trap to see whether you're gonna fall for the same bullshit bait. You did it? Good things are coming for you. So it's like 3 to 6 months of nothing but good times and good fortune, right? So, bottom of the deck we have the Knight of Cups followed by the Nine of Cups. A love offer is coming your way. Either you are making any offer or somebody is making an offer to you, all right? Either a date, going steady, you know, get to wear the Letterman jacket, you know, wearing this class ring, you know, marriage, moving in, blah, 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 blah. Your wish is coming true. Good times, good fortune. Some of you are celebrating, going out, having some alcohol, eating a lot. I don't blame you. I feel like, I don't know why, but I feel like for some of you might be like somebody's gonna get like, let's have a kid. I don't know why, just because this guy's like has like a tummy. But that is good. That is really fucking good. And that's on the bottom of the deck. Okay. So, Daddy card, right? Ruler of your motherfucking universe. Okay, we have the Page of Pentacles. So you've been manifesting for quite some time, starting from the ground up. Okay. For some of you, this could be like a friendship. Okay, you could be dealing with an Aries or a Sag. This is somebody that, it could be that somebody caught your eye and you're like, oh my God, this person has their shit together. Like they run their own shit. Like they are a strong, independent man or woman. And it's like, hey, let's be friends. You know, planting the seeds, that could be the case. For some of you, starting your business, focusing on your career, going to school, building your finances, working your way on the top. Some of you have, like, whatever you've been studying or whatever you've been trying to push for your business, whatever training that you're doing, you're picking it up really quickly. Really, really quickly. But there's a strong Aries vibe up in here. We do have a Pisces, so there is, you know, the Moon card. So something, you're not listening to your intuition. Something's not right. Like this is the Trojan horse, right? So it's a trap, like Star Wars, it's a trap. It's just like that. It was a ruse. Okay, they were bamboozled. They should have listened to their intuition, like, hey, something's not right, but that's not the case. So with this is like a bad omen in some aspect. Because there is some sort of deception. It could be with this Aries, or it could be with this Pisces, or it could be with this Taurus. We have the 8 of Swords. So you're not moving forward on something. You're afraid to take the leap or cut the cord. Whatever it is, you're afraid to move forward. You're afraid to transition. It could be that your intuition is telling you, like, hey, you need to jump on this, or else this opportunity is never going to come again. And you're kind of stagnant on whether if you want to do it or not. But here we have the 10 of Pentacles. You're going to be fucking successful, whatever that you're at. I mean, you're going to be financially comfortable. You're going to be able to build a life for yourself, for your family. You'll be able to go out and do you don't even have to think about money. It's not like you're going to be like fucking like super rich, but it's like you'll be able to live comfortably where money is not going to even be an option for you. You don't even have to think twice about it. There's love, there's joy, marriage, family, children, happiness, traditions. Some of you could be moving, like afraid to move forward with somebody. Like, I'm afraid to pull the trigger. And I should probably make a move on them, like pop a question or make it official, because I feel like this person's like a wifer, or this person's like their husband material. Like a wifer is what the kids call is when your girl is wife material. For an example, like, oh, you better put a ring on, wipe that bitch before somebody else does. Hold on, mama. Yes, you are a troublemaker. Sorry. But this is really good. You really need, some of you are afraid to pull the trigger. That's what I feel like. Okay. All right, then let me go ahead and do another reading. So I'm going to go ahead and do another collective reading for everybody in Instagram. Okay, well, the Tower card popped out, but I'm not, you know, don't look at that as a bad thing because it is officially Scorpio season. So, just saying. Deck. So another general collective reading for my Instagram followers. Anybody that's going to be watching this on the story. Let's see what we have going on here. Hope you're having a good time, Carter. It's just you and me. Just you and me. Okay. Alrighty then. Overall theme, High Priestess. Either you're not telling anybody or somebody's not telling you something. Somebody has some information. This does not necessarily mean a bad thing. Could be dealing with a Pisces. That's always a standard. There's a snake, so it could be Taylor Swift that you're dealing with or somebody just like her. Not necessarily meaning a bad thing. It could be that you may know some certain gossip, maybe like around the office or like, you know, with your family, but you're just keeping your mouth shut, you know, where people are like, oh, I wonder what's going on with Kathy in the office. You're like, oh, I have no idea, when you fucking know the entire thing. You know? So it could be as just as simple as that. But let's go ahead and dive deeper. Let's find out what is going on. Okay. All right. Okay. Interesting. Bottom of the deck. All right, we have the Five of Swords. So there is change, there is conflict. You're gonna come out kind of looking like a dick, or you're gonna cut people out. All right, just saying. Maybe cutthroat. Followed by the Queen of Pentacles. So I feel like this is nothing personal, this is just business. This is what I'm getting. It's nothing personal. It's just business. You may be dealing with a Taurus here. Or Virgo. Be also dealing with a Gemini, a Libra, or Aquarius. but you're cutting somebody out. Could be cutting out an earth sign. But I get the vibe it's nothing personal, it's just business. That's what I'm getting. Like firing somebody or something like that. Like that kind of vibe. So there's a choice. Just there's some sort of something. Not being told. We have the Page of Cups. Pertaining to love. It could be loving yourself. But this is usually some sort of little small love offer. Could be that you have a crush on someone and you're just kind of acknowledging each. It's like you're getting a text or you're getting a phone call. Like it's well, people don't really call anymore. It's sad, but anyways, it's like a text or an email or like a little message. You know, it's like a DM. It's like somebody. It's like somebody telling you like they're into you or vice versa or whatever. It's like kind of acknowledging each other. It's not like a date, but it's just kind of acknowledgement that, oh, we have a thing for each other or something like that. We do have the Six of Wands. So you are a motherfucking celebrity. Good times, good vibes. All your hard work, all your manifesting is paid off. Probably, you know, maybe you ask that person out and they say yes and you're like, fuck yes. See, because we have the Three of Cups here, celebrating, good times, going out. I'm telling you, like the last reading, you're going out and celebrating with your friends. Drinking, partying it up, like you're going out. You're celebrating. There is a baby here, so maybe some of you are expecting a pregnancy. I mean, kind of like in the last reading, I did pick up with like, some of you may be celebrating a pregnancy. I'm just saying. So maybe if some of you are like trying to conceive, you know, or like, I'm a grandma or something like that, you know, it's, like, I'm a niece, I'm an uncle, you know. There's a lot of booze going on. A lot of booze. A little wine is all up in this. I'm hearing little devil, little daredevil. That's what I'm hearing. That's what I'm getting. Okay. And then, see, we got these last two cards, man. We got the Eight of Swords and then we got the Wheel of Fortune. Some of you are afraid to move forward on this. Your intuition is telling you something, but you're afraid to move forward. I don't know why. This is all you. Kind of looks like the Beetlejuice motherfucker, right? With that snake thing. Like, it's coming after you if you don't make a fucking decision. But you're going to move forward, man. This is a great change, all right? This is a good change. A good change. 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 Okay. There we go. Did I confirm it or did that help you out? Because I hope it did. You know, there's nothing wrong with like cutting negative people out. That's what I did all year, is cut out people. So I feel you on that. I want to take a few extra cards out. Okay. Okay. Okay, see, the bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune. 10, completion. I'm just saying, this is a new cycle. So we've got the Four of Wands here. There's some sort of celebrating. There's like a wedding, an engagement, parties. There is a lot of stuff that's going on. There's like Halloween parties, you know, like Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's and all that garbage, right? So all that shit's coming up the line. But I feel like some of you are like planning a wedding. Either it's your own wedding or attending a wedding. We have the King of Swords. You could be dealing with Gemini or a Libra. It's getting information. It's like, it is, I feel like it's a marriage, because usually with the King of Swords, there's some sort of legal documentation and going to court, things like that. So I feel like for some of you, it's getting married, could be dealing with a Gemini or a Libra here. Some information, it's like some information that's being confronted that needs to be, information is confronted. Okay, I'll find out. Information is confronted. And then we have the Nine of Swords, because you've been agonizing over this. Like there's a lot of sleepless nights. This has been stressing you the fuck out. Because whatever information that's been told, and I feel like some of you have been like kind of like spying a little bit, not like full on stalker. It's not like you hired a private detective or anything like that, but just kind of like observed, you know, observing behavior, observing their reactions, maybe checking over receipts, just saying. We were in Virgo season and now it's Scorpio. Well, we're Libra and stuff. Anyways, so Nine of Swords, some anxiety, stressing over, followed by the Six of Swords. You're moving on past this. So you, for whatever reason, you think that, you know, maybe you're not able to move on from this, not able to move forward. You're able to. This stressful situation is going to go away soon, because we do have the Wheel of Fortune at the bottom of the deck to confirm this. There's a lot of air signs up in here, just saying. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I have a strong Gemini and Libra up on this board, just saying. We have the Nine of Wands here. So there's been some sort of a lot of conflict, a lot of fighting. There's been, you're almost at the finish line. But there's been a lot of hard work. But you're still on the defense, because you know, like this, like the three-headed dog, Fluffy, could come out and bite you at any moment, right? So it's like you're on guard, even though it's like you almost defeated the battle. It's like there's calmer waters. I'm telling you, these cards, these are your fucking cards, man. The Wheel of Fortune and the Eight of Swords, man. Not moving forward to your karmic lesson. What the fuck is wrong with you? Carter, these cards came up with you, like all three readings. So, quit fucking stalling, get off your ass and do it. Seven of Wands. So there is conflict, fighting. It's like there's a lot of layers to this. I don't feel like, you know, you feel like it's never ending. Like this is too much of a challenge. We do have the Eight of Cups, so you are moving on from this relationship, this tragic event. See, because you're moving forward. You're able to move forward from this. Like the past is going to be the past. You're flying away from this. See, and that fucking Emperor card, Aries, Sag, focusing on your work, focusing on you, building your empire, Daddy card. And then the bottom of the deck, we have the Empress. See? Right? You're gonna find your equal. So what are you waiting for? Alrighty then, I am gonna go ahead and throw one affirmation reading. Call it an evening. And yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna use the Sweary Spirituality. Badass affirmations. Okay, those messages want to come out. Okay. Message 1, do not feed the narcissist. 2, saying no helps you honor your boundaries. You are obligated to do that which you are paid for. Otherwise, hashtag fuck that shit. You aren't a mess. You're a badass. Hashtag embrace your badass. Emotions are like water. Let them flow. Alternatively, you can think of them as little creatures who will stalk you relentlessly until you acknowledge them. And finally, science-y people did studies that found intelligent people stay up late, are messy, and like to swear. Can I get a fuck yeah? Hashtag embrace your crazy. Okay. I love you guys. I love you, Carter. You're very sweet. I hope that the readings helped, and I hope the affirmation cards helped. And yes, I'm debating on whether if I'm going to upload this on YouTube. I'm not sure. I may though. I'm not sure. But anyhow, I love you. I will be taking a break tomorrow. I will be back here on Instagram Thursday, 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time to do the unboxing of the Mini Love Tarot. Friday, I will go to YouTube, 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. I will be doing the Art Oracle unboxing. And then Sunday on YouTube, Pixel Occult presents Sinking Wasteland Tarot. And I will be doing readings off of that deck and the Neon Moon deck, which is currently sold out. So, yes! I did like this deck. I thought this deck was cute. Very good. I liked it, you know? And I'm glad that the reading resonated with you. And alrighty then. Thank you very much. I love you guys. And namaste, bitches.